Hello friends. In this video we will be discussing about the concept of increment and decrement operator in C programming language. This is very important operator because in many programs we will be using this operator. So first of all, this is unary type of operator. Now why it is unary? Because we know that the unary type of operator means the operator which contains only one operand. So here in this example you can see in this particular statement, this is our operand and this is the operator. So plus plus operator which denotes the increment operator, and only one operand is there along with it. So it is unary type of operator. What it performs? So actually it increments the value of the variable. So here you can see variable a is there. So the value of a will be incremented by 1. It means that suppose we have integer a equals to 10, and if I perform a plus plus, it gives me 11. So the value of a is incremented by one value. So if it is 10, now it is 11. Same way, the second operator is decrement operator. Again it is unary type, and the symbol which we'll be using is this. 2 time minus sign we'll be using to denote that this is decrement operator. So what it does, it decrements the value by 1, and we can write like this, a minus minus. So if we have integer a equals to 10, and if we write a minus minus, then the value of a will be what? It will be 9. So it decrements the value of a by 1. So this is how increment and decrement operator performs the operation. One increments the value by 1 and one decrements the value by 1. Now in this case, there are two different type of possibilities exist. One is pre-increment and second one is post-increment. Or we can say one is prefix and one is postfix. Now we try to understand what is prefix and what is postfix. So prefix, or we can say it is pre-increment or pre-decrement. We try to understand this by one simple example. Then you might be familiar with this term, prepaid. This term is associated with mobiles. So whenever we have the mobile and we have purchased the SIM card, then there are two type of schemes available. One is prepaid and second one is postpaid. Okay. So in the case of prepaid, you know that we need to pay first. We need to pay first before using that SIM card, or we can say before using that particular service, we need to pay for the service. So it is prepaid. Likewise, here it is pre-increment or pre-decrement. So it is in short known as prefix. So what is the meaning? Meaning is when we have more than one operation, only the significance of pre or post exists when we have more than one operation in a statement. So if we have more than one operation in a statement, then the increment or decrement, it increments or decrements the value first. We try to understand with one example that if a equals to 5, we have a equals to 5. Now if we look at this statement, b equals to plus plus a. Now there are two operations to be performed. Which two? One is increment, one is increment. Okay, since it is plus plus, and second is assignment. Second is assignment. Why assignment? The operator is there. So this is for assignment and this is for increment. So now if you look at the statement b equals to plus plus a, then there are two operations to be performed. One is increment and second is assignment. Now as per the usage we have seen, if there are more than one operations, so here two operations are there, then in the case of pre-increment or pre-decrement, increment or decrement should be performed first. It means that out of these two, increment should be performed first because it is pre-increment. Pre-increment means पहले इंक्रीमेंट करना है, उसके बाद जो दूसरा काम है वो करना है. We need to increment the value first and then we need to execute the second operation. So since it is a equals to 5 and what we have written b equals to plus a. So this operation will be performed first. So the value of a is 5 and this is increment, so which increments the value of a by 1. So now it becomes 6. So this is the first operation completed. So now 6 is there with A. Now this value will be assigned to B because increment operation is completed. So second operation is what? Assignment. So the value of A, which is 6, will be given to B. So if you print the output, then A will be 6 and B will be 6. So this is pre-increment, means increment or decrement, whatever the operation we need to perform, that is to be performed first. Other operations are to be performed later on. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we talk on next case, that is post increment. So it is like post paid, means first to use the services and then you pay for that service. Likewise, first, if there are more than one operations, then first you perform other operations and then you perform increment or decrement because it is post. Post means बाद में. So we need to increment or decrement later on. So again, if we have more than one operations, then the increment or decrement is to be performed later on. Okay. Now again we look at this particular example, b equals to a minus minus. So again here this is post increment because see, in pre increment operand comes first, sorry, operator comes first and then operand comes. So this is pre. If the symbol of increment is before the operand, it is pre, and if symbol of increment is after the operand, it is known as post. So here it is post because minus minus sign is after the operand. So this is post decrement. So what will happen in this case? Assignment is one operation to be performed and decrement is another operation is to be performed. But what we need to do, decrement or increment operation to be performed later on. It means that is to be done later on. So what should come first? So the remaining operation should come first. So here the remaining operation is assignment. So whatever the value of A, what is the value of A? So value of A is 5. So that value of A will be given to B. It means that B equals to 5. So assignment operation is completed first and then this A minus minus is performed. Then A minus minus is performed and it decrements the value of A by 1. So now the value of A is 4. So if you look at the answer, then B equals to 5 because assignment operation completed before decrement. Okay, that's why b equals to 5 and then decrement operation is performed so that a is 4. So pre-increment, increment or decrement is to be completed first. Post increment decrement, increment or decrement is to be performed later on. Other operation is to be completed first. So I hope you understand the concept of increment and decrement operator and prefix and postfix. More examples of prefix, postfix and increment decrement operator that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching.